guys.
Wait, not yet.
Hello everyone, we are the Portrait Culture team. I'm Elika.
I'm Trini. I'm Miles.
And today is the big day. A couple of days ago, as a lot of you guys know, we launched an online campaign to raise money for the hurricane relief. And we just want to say first off, thank you so much for all your love and support. It was greatly appreciated. We were able to share this a total of 307 times, which is insane.
So crazy.
Little clap for you guys. So when we go ahead and do the math, like we mentioned in the story, for every 10 shares, we would donate $5. So that put us at about $153.50.
Wow. Just about.
Yeah, but we want to go ahead and give it a little extra love, so we're going to cap it out at $200. So we can give $100 to Hurricane Irma and $100 to Hurricane Harvey. So without further ado, let's do this.
Let's do this.